I just spent 2.5 hours cleaning and polishing and fixing Becky. She was trashed from Kansas City last week. You know, we went through that ice, snow, rain, and all that damn salt and shit on the roads. Man, it was bad. It was, I can't even tell you. The car looked black. It was bad. But I had to detail the wheels to get them shine. I mean, they literally shine again. And I know the video don't do it no justice, but man, this thing was so bad. I had to literally open up every door. Huh?
Can we take it out back?
Yeah, roll it up and put it up. I had to open up every door, wash and polish and clean all inside every door frame and everything, because even on the doors themselves, because I don't let my cars get like that. But she's back to shining, looking good, looking brand new again. Floors, everything. Got all the dust out finally, because the vents and everything still had all that white powder and dust from when my car was sitting down there, and they got the stuff in it. But that's all cleaned up. She's looking good. She's ready to go out and see a show. And now I'm calling everybody around town. It's Saturday. It's nice. It's beautiful out here. 70 degrees, sunny. I'm calling everybody and ain't nothing popping. Nothing. Kind of sucks, but at least she's ready to go. Yeah, look at that shine. Like I said, it took me hours, bro. Hours to get this thing right. You can tell in the sun. Look at that. You can tell in the sun how she's shining. And nope, didn't wax it, didn't do nothing. Just had to put hand elbow grease into it. She's looking good again. And I got a secret for y'all. I can't even tell y'all, but the tips, like you look at everybody's exhaust tips, and then you look at mine. They shine. My shit shines inside and out. No black on my fingers. I can't tell y'all my secret, but I got a secret to keep my shit shiny back there too. So, well, as soon as I find something to get into, we're gonna get into it. I ain't cleaned that beast yet. I didn't feel like it. But got Becky looking good and right. And like I told y'all, she got a mod coming this week. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek. Because I got part of it here. The rest of it had to be ordered. Y'all see that? Y'all see all these? Yeah, y'all know what that means. It's coming. So, we'll see where she goes. So check this, bro. I'm custom doing my shoelaces. Can you see? What you think on that on my J's? I haven't worn these J's. I've had them for a few months, but I did that today. What you think? All right, y'all. I'm about to get y'all some footage of this meet. We're going to a couple car meets. Some of the guys already pulled up. Waiting on the rest of my guys. A Camaro, yeah. Pretty sure that won't work in my Mopar Kings club, bro. But waiting on. We're gonna hook up with Hemi Life and their group over at Mopower, and we're all gonna roll up here to this meet together and get y'all this footage. Let me get a little bit now. See here, we got our one of our Chargers. This is one of Mopower's members. Of course, you know Becky. Everybody knows Becky.
Right here. Still here.
Another one of my members.
Hey, Dustin, I'm driving.
Car's off.
So we out here. We're waiting on everybody else to pull up. Showed up. Y'all seen this car before. I didn't realize y'all had a Camaro, but this is a Camaro. It sounds nasty. Check that boy out. He said, y'all have seen this Charger on my club, or on my club, sorry, on my channel. He's got a badass Charger lip paint job or wrap. I didn't realize y'all had a Camaro. Shit, it's gonna make me get my Challenger game up now. Gotta have more than one. I guess I got the Tahoe and shit, but still. Nice. Got us another new member, guys. Another new member. Just joining the club. Just now. Met him in the gas station. You want to join my club? Here we are. We're growing and growing.
Mopower.
Yeah, he's the leader of Mopower Car Club. He's a big YouTuber. He's one of the biggest Dallas YouTubers.
And his VP is about to open that gray one right there.
That's my boy Lonzo, who I was just on the phone with in the Hulk thing. Yeah, Mopower's pulling up. No, that's not his VP.
Oh,
No. He drives the Scat Pack. But he's not here. He's not here right now.
I thought I saw him.
Yeah. That's another new member of theirs, the black one. Yeah, see, he got the big tips and shit. Yeah, all their shits are all straight pipe, just like mine. They got about, like, I think they're like 40 members plus, but You know, they've been around for a minute. You know, everybody got to look. They jealous. You know how it go.
Be alright.
Yeah, baby. We out here. Got all their go again. Dang, they got the red light. Half of us got the red light. Ain't that a bitch? We're pulling up out here now. Oh shit. Pulled up about, I don't know, probably about 12 deep. Not all my club. Like I said, we got two clubs. We got Hemi Life 44's club, the Mo Power Club, and then my guys. Still waiting on a few guys to show up. They're running late. But you see us all pulling in up there. See Scat Pat Black pulling in. It looks like Hemi. Pulling in after that. Forget his name. He's not in his Charger anyway. He's in his Camaro.
This is the 11.
ZL1, not a Z11.
I didn't buy it.
Come on, y'all. Turn.
Where's the Camaro? Up there? Right there? No, it's up there.
Yo, chill the fuck out. Don't play when you got on my car, not on my camera. I see people up here, but I don't see what is going on. Shit, I don't see much of a car meet. So I'm thinking, I'm thinking we're gonna end up going to the other one here soon, because other than us, I really don't see nothing here. Where you going, bro? Where you going? Alright, y'all, so we pulled up out here and it was lame. There's literally no car meet here. There's two cars. That's it, literally, and I'm not over exaggerating. So we ended up making this a meet just with the 15 Chargers we showed up with. But we're getting ready to roll out to another car meet, and it's supposed to be bigger. So we'll roll over there with the 1520 because I got 4 more Chargers on their way now. We'll roll over there with them and see what that one's about, because this one was nothing. It was ended up being trash. So hopefully, like I said, I can get some better footage on that, because this was nothing, man. Because I was actually gonna have 2 videos, one of this meet and the next meet, but shit, this might be a video on its own. I don't know. Disappointment. That's the problem, is disappointment, always. Yeah, I mostly do car shit. You don't get my shit, all the car meets and shit. No parkings, all of us. You said you wanted a black sticker, right? Yeah. Oh, speaking of, give me Josh's sticker out of mine.
I was thinking use that one.
We out here. Our parking's taking over. So we pulling up to this second location, the second meet. About 15 strong, maybe a couple more, somewhere in there. Still the same group of guys. We had a few more join from the club. Somebody admiring the cars. Let's see what we got here. I see some Chargers and shit in here. All right. Yeah, I see some people in here. That's cool. At least this one actually has some shit. At the specs, who needs a drink? Come on, y'all, turn. See, there's a few people up here,
I see a couple mushrooms. Oh, they made that for Christmas Eve, Dad.
That's a sticker guy. Yeah, there's quite a few people up here. Yeah, alright. Now we can get some footage. Shit. So we still pulling up strong. Came in with a big ass view. My boys. That dude next to me for double park, so I said, fuck it, I'd double park too. I was trying to scoot over so we can get at least one more in here, but. Yep,
We in here, man.
Well, why you here, brother? Say it. Get it on there.
Say Fulonzo, aka the Black Bruce Banner, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. I'm going all the way up to the what? To the top, man. Yeah.
Y'all know he's in the hope. Y'all already know. So you kept up, brother. You like that, don't you? You know you liked it. You know you liked it.
Of course. hey, how Bet beat us here in the fucking Nissan, G?
Because he was cheating, you know. We had to slow down for the cops. He was,
Yeah,
Mr.
I
White
saw
guy.
that cop. I'm like, I hope they don't rev it up there. Cause
Yeah,
shit.
but dude, we passed like several cops. We had the two on the highway. We had the one that got behind us when we
That's on the
first
highway?
left. Yeah, you didn't see the two on the highway get behind
Yeah,
us?
nah.
Oh yeah, bro. Then we got the. You see
Oh,
there's
he
two
got behind us?
Yeah.
How he ain't put nobody over?
Honestly, I thought he was gonna get me, you know, because my lights and shit. But what?
I was running into the back of your fucking car when we pulled up at that light
Man,
when we came.
there was a few times we was rolling.
Oh yeah. Those two chargers.
Which well, they had those. You had the one that got behind us on the main drag back there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then we pulled up. There's two here. I mean, man, there was cops everywhere in this. But this dude got the ice cream thing going. I'm getting people. Hey, I just.
No, that was sketch.
You going over to get food too?
Yeah, going over to get food.
Trying to get these cars, guys. I know it's dark out here, you know, but it's our Hellcat thing. Most of these are my clubbies, y'all know. You like that, didn't you? That was cool, wasn't it? getting in there,
J9.
getting it in there on the highway. You like that?
Yeah.
I was watching. There was a couple times you got it, and your car broke free on you. I seen it.
Yeah,
There's
it
a couple
always does
times.
that, bro.
Yeah.
Too much fucking power to it.
Oh yeah, but then you got that one that ain't got no tread. I was like, oh shit, I see that bitch going. Yeah, like that. Nice old mountain pulling in back there. Got the 5-0 sitting up there watching us. Man, you see all the cops we passing right here? They was everywhere, bro. Man.
Bro, crazy. They were all fucking
Yeah. Yeah. That one got behind us. I honestly thought the one that got behind us was gonna get me. Cause I rolled up on him quick. I was like, oh, and he was sitting there like, wow. That was the last car. Did we really? Oh yeah. Well, it's easy to find my car though. Yeah. We were catching him and Lap for the foe, getting some footage of my car. He on Instagram Live, looking. About to go over and can't sneak up on him. You still on that live? You on that live still?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I said. I seen you went on there. Y'all see how we doing it out here? Oh, they shut off the Christmas tree. I was gonna get y'all the Christmas tree footage. I hate Mustangs, but that was pretty good looking. Pretty real good. Trying to figure out where the guys went. Y'all disappeared over here somewhere. Give me a lot for the fold. Y'all see what it is? Go check my boy out. some of them are pulling out. Nice ZL1, custom cams, going up. Making moves. See his red lights on the inside can? He's got the red
yeah.
pinstriping in there.
Light you up but not light it up.